Today we're going to be working in our garden. I'll show you what the plan is. Take care of that bald spot right there. Do you see it? We have several citrus trees here in the backyard. We have about 5 of them. And that spot there looks bad because there's weeds that come out. We mow on a weekly basis and take care of all of the trimming. And it just takes them that long, about a week, to come up, and it doesn't look very nice. So we're gonna put a weed tarp over all of that, and then put a small stone on top of the weed tarp, and then we're going to put like a little flower bed around each tree. Not really gonna put flowers in it, just some of the red mulch, so it looks very nice. So something like this. These are our 2 peach trees. They're full grown, and we're gonna put red mulch in here and in that one over there as well. And that's the goal really for every tree. I'll show you the before for all of these trees. So here's another peach tree. We're gonna do the same thing down here. Oh, and here's Ethan's fountain that he just made. This is that bald area that I was talking about. So we have 1 citrus tree there, 2, 3. The 4th one is sitting right there. And then this is another peach tree. We have a total of 4 peach trees. So 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th peach tree is right there where Ethan's fountain is. And here's Evan. Hi, Evan.
Hi.
What you doing?
Getting wet over there.
Oh, you were getting wet.
Yeah, I love getting wet.
Oh, well, okay. Well, was Papa hosing the driveway down? Yeah. So there's a big long driveway there. I'll show you.
Guys, and we need
to
put a table.
Oh, right, to put tables there too. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So that was all like a pebble path, and we took off the pebbles, which we're going to use for that bald spot over there under the citrus trees. But now it's nicely cemented. And we're going to finish this off so it all looks like the same color.
Yeah.
Hi, Fino.
Mama, I found Muddy Puddle.
Okay.
Spider Muddy Puddle.
So we had this pine tree before in our old house.
Yeah.
And it's growing nice and tall and healthy. And we got this small one yesterday, so it's exactly like that.
Yeah, it's
first
like
one
a
there,
baby reindeer.
But it's much smaller. It does look pretty baby, huh?
Yeah.
And we're gonna do a couple more beds around these so they look nice, the circular beds.
Yeah.
And then that right there is an avocado tree.
Yeah.
Not quite sure what we're gonna do to that bald spot there back there, but
it's an avocado
we're gonna do a little something to it.
Yeah.
And Evan, what did we buy yesterday? What is all this?
Huh?
What is all this over here?
Oh, working stuff.
Oh, it's working stuff.
It's flower.
It's garden stuff. So
yeah, it's garden.
This is the stone that we're going to use to make the little flower beds around the trees. And then lots of red mulch, some soil down here.
Mom, when are we going to start it to build?
One more stone here. Oh, just really soon. Oh, and let me show you. This is what we got to stop the weeds.
Yeah.
So it's an ultimate wheat barrier.
Yeah.
It's 3 by 50 feet, and it's just a big roll.
Yeah.
And you lay it down, and the good thing is the trees will still get plenty of water. We're gonna leave a hole right around the base of each tree, but it does stop the weeds. Very effective. Ethan, your fountain is awesome. This is another citrus tree right here. It's a lemon tree, so we're gonna put mulch right down here.
What? Are you sure it's a lemon tree?
Yeah, it sure is a lemon tree.
What the heck?
Let's see, there's lemons in here. You guys see those lemons? And they're super tangy and delicious.
Can I see?
Yeah, just peek in there. It's right here. You see him, Evan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see one right there. I see one.
Yeah. Okay, and then this tree is a super beautiful tree.
Yeah.
It's not a fruit tree, but it's very nice. Lots of
Yeah,
shade back here because of it.
It's
And
not
then here we're going to put some of that red mulch, the weed barrier, and then the mulch as well. Right here, there's another bed. And this we want to use for planting vegetables. So we bought some soil. We're going to fill it in with soil and plant some vegetables there. Yep. And that is aloe vera. And that over there is aloe vera as well. We have to do something to that spot back there as well. Not sure what we're going to do yet.
plant.
Yeah, that's aloe vera, Evan. Look at that.
And I want to pick some.
And what do those look like, Kevin?
They look like bananas.
Tiny little bananas. Let's see. Cool. Okay, and then back here, we have a fig tree, and we have 4 apple trees.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the apples are coming right along. There's some really big ones right up there. I don't know if you can see that. There's a bunch more here of apples. So there's 4 of these apple trees back here. Yes, Evan?
Oh, the apples already grown.
Growing, aren't they? Yeah, it's not quite time to pick them, but they're almost there. They'll be there in the autumn.
There.
And then here's 2 more apple trees. So really nothing to do back here. Oh yeah, so Evan wants me to show you the rocks. These are the rocks we're going to use for that bald spot over there under the citrus tree.
Okay, Evan, so what did we do here?
We built a ladybug house.
Yes. So this is the water bowl.
Yeah.
And they put flowers
Mm-hmm.
and these 2 flowers. And then
What, do you actually put 2 flowers in there?
Yeah. So
Oh.
that's the flower and this flower.
Where's the another flower?
Right there. Right there.
Oh. Wait, Jilly. I'm gonna get some more sweets.
Whoa, it's climbing. What is? Whoa.
Jilly, there's emergency. There's a bloodworm right there.
Okay, give me a second.
Oh! Hi, ladybug. Don't go out. Swans.
Really nice.
Yeah. There's a bloodworm right there, Jilly.
Okay.
What a thing. Aw.
Do you like the ladybug, Evan?
Yeah. It's so cute.
Okay, so here's an update. So we put the weed barrier all in this area. And then we put these planter stones around each citrus tree and filled in with the red mulch. So it looks much better because you can see the contrast of the gray rock with the mulch. And everybody has helped. Have you helped, Evan?
Yeah.
What have you done?
No.
What does all that mean, Evan?
I did that and also that.
Oh, yes, and this one too. So Evan was helping to spread out the mulch.
Yeah, and I couldn't do that one because I don't know how to do that one because that was so heavy.
This is great mulch because it's bright red and it looks really pretty. Evan has a shovel and he's spreading it all out. So it looks amazing. We also got these bird houses. One for this peach tree and one for that other peach tree.
Yeah.
So we can feed the wild birds around here. Here's another peach tree. We did the same at the bottom here. Just have to spread this one out. Evan, can you help us spread this mulch out a little bit?
Okay.
Take all of the mulch on the stone, Evan. You see it? And put it inside.
Ven.
Little bird
Hello.
there.
Están visitando nuestro patio, son dos. Mírala aquí. Mírala ahí. Y mira la otra ahí. Están tranquilitas ahí.
Es que son del mismo color
Y el mismo color del árbol.
Papi, where's the other one?
Mírala ahí.
Please fly down. Please fly
Okay,
down.
so now we know who's been eating our peaches. It's a parrot, guys.
Oh, look!
Look, it has it in its mouth. Hey, give us our peach back. Where are you going? It eats the seed and throws the outside down. So here's the progress we've made. You can see that we delineated this stone path with some round stones to make it pop a little more. And you can see that we added some of the mulch that's much redder, brighter. And now I'm going to do the same thing, put like a little stone planter over there, but we're not going to plant anything in it. We're just going to put mulch in it. And then here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put some of that black weed stopper, some of that tarp, and then we're going to delineate the foot or the trunk of the tree here with these stones. And then maybe do something similar over here. These are really big areas, so we're going to have to think about exactly what we're going to do here. What'd you do today, bud, to help?
I did that tree.
Okay, so Ethan did this tree. How'd you make this fountain, Ethan? You bought a pump? And then, what'd you do?
I'm gonna put it in a cup and then I put water in it and then it will.
Awesome. Sup, Jay?
Hi. Can I step on a bowl?
Yeah, to even it out, yes. Or like to pat it down for sure.
Yay! Look at that, dude. You put mulch on the dirt part like that. You put mulch
So yeah, it was very bare, like this part. And of course we need to sweep all of that off right there. But it looks amazing, the contrast between the green and the red. It looks very beautiful. hiking down this very beautiful trail. And the reason why it's so beautiful is because of these views. Guys, just take that in. Isn't that gorgeous? There's mountains all the way around.
Mom, I'm gonna stay right next to the grass until I see a snake.
It is just so beautiful.
Mama,
And Evan is very hopeful that he's going to see a snake. Those flowers.
what are you, snake?
I think that's lavender right there.
I see a snake.
Gorgeous. So gorgeous. Okay. This hiking trail is one of the most gorgeous that I have ever seen. And it isn't difficult at all because most of it is down a straight path. But look at the views. There's hardly any incline. Look at this beautiful yellow. Oh, wow. There's lots of these wildflowers on this path. Just gorgeous.